Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll show you how to submit your iPhone app to Apple App Store. Log into Apple Developer account and go to Apple Store Connect. Click on Go to App Store Connect. Now click on My Apps. Click on the plus icon, then a new app to continue. A pop-up New App will open. Select iOS option under Platform. Under the app name, choose Primary Language and Bundle ID. Enter the SKU. For example, SKU 12324 app name. Pick the user access as per your needs and click on Create to continue. Under App Information, enter Privacy Policy URL and select the best category for your app. Once done, click on Save to continue. Now go to Pricing and Availability by clicking on the option present on the left-hand panel under App Store Information. Select the best pricing for your app from the drop-down menu present under Price Schedule. If you want, you can even provide your app for free. Once done, click on Save to continue. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the submission process. Thanks for watching.